was a little bit more efficient now. No more holidays, Bodog. We've got accreditation.
Nancy was so helpful this year.
Oh, they were great.
I swear I saw her last year. It was the same woman.
Really?
Yeah,
John Boy?
No, this is too official.
You're official.
I'm just a battler from Sydney. Look at this.
Flipsy, what about him?
Oh, look at him go.
He's just here to give Flipsy approved to everything at CES.
In fact, registration, Flipsy approved. It's good.
Is that what Flipsy's wearing?
Yeah, he bought that this morning.
Where'd that come from?
Hey, merch.
That wouldn't fit us.
So John, one of my favourite things about being here early is you start, still construction going on, trucks everywhere, but because the billboards have to go up, you start to get a sense of what's being announced. So we've got 8K coming from TCL, we've got Samsung talking about Bixby. Have you seen anything of note?
We saw a car that had a big wrap in it. We're getting a lot of shapes of cars and exciting little stuff.
Over here, Bodog.
And for BMW, it's the dawn of a new era.
What is that?
They've got a new instrument cluster.
Okay, it's official.
That's it. That's all I've got.
Well, we've grabbed some passes and we are now inside the Central Hall. John, this is your first exposure to the booths of CES, and these are the small ones. Our good friends at Hisense over here, and Intel behind us. So, like literally, as I say every year, like renovation rescue, it's all very busy, counting down the clock.
Can I just say, I'm not sure entirely we're meant to be here right now, but we are nonetheless. Well, this is pretty cool here. We're just at a temporary Ford stand before everything opens, and we've got our very own Ford Raptor here in the United States. They have the F-150, which is the bigger version, but there are plans to introduce this to the States as well, so we'll find out more about that later.
But do you remember last year Bell had that little cockpit and they were talking about the autonomous, transportation of the future? Well, they've gone pretty full on this year.
That's a big drone. I mean, what is it, a chopper? Is it an electric chopper? Is it a drone? What are we calling this?
I don't know, mate. I'm calling it electric chopper because I don't think it's autonomous. Yeah, but their vision is for it to be autonomous. Yeah. Impressive though. Very impressive.
And this is not a scale model. It's unbelievable.
Just here in the North Hall, we've just taken occupation of our studio and office space here, so we can oversee all the brands and stands that are up here. There's a lot of cars, some serious helicopter stuff. This is where we'll be for the Facebook Live shows and the Today Show at least one of the days.
Right here we have a Ferrari 458, which will take you to a wedding venue of your choice, which is so easy here in Vegas. Isn't it, Trev?
Yo! Boys, we've got the key to the office. Hey, Bodog. You at any nervous legal risk at the moment? No.
Just copying out material A, B, C, right through to Z.
We're
American Z.
Especially B for Bell. We've got the office. We're not under any embargo, and we've come to Walmart because we need to get a fridge, maybe a coffee machine, a few other supplies to get us through the week so that Mum can look after us.
What about this, John?
Oh, dog. Oh, we've got a bucket of fried chicken in the middle of Walmart.
Ready-made KFC style chicken in Walmart. Just take it home, heat it up in the microwave, I assume.
This is phenomenal.
Wow. We're just gonna get fatter and fatter. We've got a fridge and I'm walking backwards through Lowe's in very warm attire. It's cold.
At Lowe's.
Trev, you don't eat a whole lot of food, to be honest. It's very narrow in terms of the diversity. But we're at Whole Foods.
Super tasty. Google it.
We're at Whole Foods.
Whole Foods. It's like a grocery store with fresher options. It's got like a hot bar and like food you can just grab. So it's really good. Hot foods,
I thought it was like a sauna or something. Jeez.
All right, good lunch, and now we're going to head back and see if we can deliver the fridge to the office. If not, we've pretty much just got dinner with the great people at LG tonight.
Looking forward to that. More food. It's just what we need. Suck it in. Jeez, I look bigger this too.
All right, boys, Saturday night, a traditional dinner on our way to Lola's with Angus and the team at LG. So get ready for some spicy wings, John boy.
Oh yeah! So a couple of years ago I tried these hot chicken wings, which are exceptionally hot, John. This is your first go, you're on debut. It takes a while to kick in.
Did you dip them?
Dip them, I didn't dip them.
Right.
Alright so far.
Alright.
Nothing too painful.
Alright.
I'm starting to sweat a little bit now.
Yeah, you're going to sweat a lot.
Yeah, it's
Slow
coming
burner that one. It's going to hit ya.
I need more water immediately.
We'll check in later on.
How you going there, Angus?
Tingly on the lips.
Tingly on the lips.
Tingly on the lips.
You've gone really hard on that.
Well, I'll go another one.
Oh, he's just going double down. He's going straight in for a second.
Into the second.
Is the tingle still there?
Very lippy.
Oh, great dinner.
I thought you were talking about the hot food that we just had.
Yeah, you had them. I'm not having them. It's a great dinner once again, Angus. Thanks very much.
Well, it's about getting really good food. Doesn't have to be the fanciest restaurant, but it's the best food. in
Great
Vegas.
people, Angus.
Yeah,
Great
we've got a
people.
great bunch of people.
And great products coming up. We look forward to the show.
It's
Thanks,
going to be
mate.
a big week.
Cheers, buddy.
Life's good.
Last year it was extremely wet here in Vegas. This year again, it's pouring, it's soaking, it's moist. John's here, what do you think of the weather?
Yeah, good stuff, mate. Not sure if it's got anything to do with me being here per se, but look, we are in a desert. That's one thing.
Didn't say you were the rainmaker.
Well,
See, and that's where the vlog gets cut.